solve for the value of x over y if 3y minus 4x all over 4y minus 3x is equals to 5. Okay? Please, I want to pay attention. This 5 can be written as 5 over 1. You understand? So now let's take the cross product. For this, I'm going to have 3y minus 4x all over 4y minus 3x is equals to 5 all over 1. Now, taking the cross product, this 4y minus 3x will multiply 5 and 1 will multiply 3y minus 4x. So I'm going to have 5 into bracket 4y minus 3x is equals to 3y minus 4x, because if you take the product of 1 and 3y minus 4x, you are going to get 3y minus 4x. Do you understand? Okay? Now, let us open this bracket using 5. 5 multiplied by 4y, that will give us 20y. 20y minus 5 multiplied by 3x, that will give us 15x. You understand? Now, is equals to 3y minus 4x. Now, from this point, we can collect like terms, okay? We can collect like terms. I'm going to move x to this side of the equation, which is the right hand side, and I'm going to move y to this side of the equation, which is the left hand side. Okay, so for this, I'm going to have 20y. Now, if this 3y crosses the equals to sign, it's going to change to negative 3y. Is equals to negative 4x. If this negative 15x crosses the equals to sign, the sign is going to change to positive. Okay, so I'm going to have positive 15x. Okay, 20y minus 3y, that is 17y, is equals to negative 4x, positive 15x. I'm going to have positive 11x, so I'm going to have 11x. Now, don't forget the goal. The goal is to find the value of x and y. So, now, to get the value of x and y, x is the numerator, okay, and y is the denominator. So, I'm going to divide number 1, both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 11. So, I'm going to have this over 11 and this over 11. So, I'm going to have 17y all over 11 is equals to 11 is equals to x. Do you understand? If you don't understand, pay attention again. Our goal is to determine the value of x over y. You understand? So I have gotten to this point. So I divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 11. So I have this 11 will cancel this 11. So I'm left with what? X. Now, the next step here is to divide both sides by y, because I'm looking for x over y. Okay? So I'm going to divide both sides by y. This divided by y, I'm going to have this y will cancel this y, or multiply both sides by 1 over y. Okay, this multiply by 1 over y, and this multiply by 1 over y. Okay, so I'm going to have this. Do you know the goal is to determine the value of x over y? You understand? That's why I multiply both sides by 1 over y. Okay, so this y will cancel this y. So I'm left with what? 17 all over 11 is equals to what? X all over y. Do you understand? So the value of x over y is 17 all over 11. See you in the next class. To watch the next class, kindly check the description of this video. You are going to see a link there. Click on that link, or you should check the playlist on this channel. Okay, see you in the next class.